Allah is the owner. You ask Him, you knock His door, you read, you fulfill your prayers. What He told you to do, you stay away from what He told you to stay away from. And you work hard. And if you fall, you seek His forgiveness. Allah will open the doors for you. Allah will give you. And you make an intention, oh Allah, give me so that I can do good with it. Wallahi, if your heart is clear, Allah will give you. Allah will give you. Ask Allah and call out to Allah. Inshallah, He will give you. He will give you. Don't you think the owner of entire creation, when you are close to Him, He will say, oh my worshipper, I am giving you more than you want. You asked me for 1 million, I'm giving you 1 billion. The owner of the entire creation, He will do it for you. That is Allah. Keep moving closer and closer to Allah. Don't ever go backwards. You quit a bad habit, don't go back. Wallahi, my brothers and sisters, life is too short. We need to come closer to Allah.